7th grade math interim assessment 1. As I read aloud the test for you, your job is to annotate the problems and solve them. You can press pause after I read each question to allow you enough time to solve the problem. If you need something repeated, you can press the rewind button and listen to it again. Selected response section. Answer the following 13 select response questions. Number 1, which situation would lead to a quotient that would be best represented as negative 188? A debt of $752 is evenly split among 4 family members. B, there are 752 cookies evenly split among 4 birthday parties. C, there are 4 acres of land evenly split to grow 752 blueberry bushes. D, a mountain's 4-millimeter erosion in height is evenly split over a 752-day period. Number 2. A person dives into the ocean and finds object A at a depth of 7.4 meters. He records the elevation of object A as negative 7.4. He finds object B at 5.8 meters deeper than object A. He finds object C at 3/4 the depth of object B. How will the diver record the elevation of object C? A, negative 9.9, B, negative 1.2, C, 1.2, D, 9.9. Question 3. A rectangular rug has a width of X feet. The length is 3 4/5 times greater than the width. Which expression represents the parameter of the rug in feet? A, 3 4/5 X. B, 4 4/5 X. C, 9 3/5 X. D, 2X plus 7 3/8. Question 4. Which expression is equivalent to the expression below? 3/5 minus 1/4 plus 2/7. A, 3/5 plus 1/4 plus 2/7. B, 3/5 plus negative 1/4 plus 2/7. C, negative 3/5 plus 1/4 plus 2/7. D, negative 3/5 plus negative 1/4 plus 2/7. Number 5. Which expression is equivalent to the one below? Negative 6 times negative 5/8. A, negative 6 times 5 over 8. B, negative 5 over negative 6 times 1/8. C, negative 5 times negative 6 over negative 8. D, negative 5 times negative 6 times 1/8. Number 6. Solve. Negative 1.3 minus 2 5/6 equals A, negative 4 1/6, B, negative 4 2/15, C, -3 4/15. D, 1 8/15. Number 7. Which expression is equivalent to the one below? 5x minus 7y minus 2x plus y. A, 3x minus 8y. B, 3x minus 6y. C, 3x plus 8y. D, 7x minus 8y. Number 8. Which decimal best represents 15/33? A, 0.4545. B, 0.45. C, 0.455. D, 0.455. Which expression is equivalent to the expression below? -1 2/5 plus 4/9. A, 1 2/5 minus 4/9. B, -1 2/5 minus 4/9. C, -1 2/5 minus 4/9. D, -1 2/5 plus 4/9. Number 10. At a magazine company, employees are given a score based on subscription renewals. An employee receives 3 points for each customer that renews a subscription and receives -2 points for each customer not renewing a subscription. In the course of an hour, an employee has 4 customers that renew subscriptions and 7 customers that do not renew subscriptions. What score would the employee be given at the end of the hour? A, -26. B, -2. C, 2. D, 13. Number 11. Use the number line to answer the question below. Which expression has a negative value? A minus 1. B, -a plus 2. C, -a minus 2. D, -2 plus a. Number 12. The lowest elevation in California is about 80 meters below sea level. The lowest elevation in Louisiana is also below sea level and is about a quarter of the value of California's lowest elevation. Which value best represents the lowest elevation in meters in Louisiana? A, -320. B, -20. C, 20. D, 320. Number 13, compute. 5/3 divided by -1/2 times -4. A, -6/5. B, -5/6. C, 5/6. D, 40/3. Number 14. On the number line below, the value of point B is 3 units greater than the value of point A. Which expressions are equal to the value of A? Select all answers that apply. A, B plus 3. B, B minus 3. C, B plus -3. D, B plus -3. E, B minus -3. Number 15. Which situations describe a sum of 0? Select all answers that apply. A, Juan loans $5.80 to a friend. His friend pays back the full amount. B, a dolphin starts at 7.25 feet below sea level. The dolphin dives down 7.25 feet. C, Sam owes his friend $8.75. He spends the same amount on dinner. D, Monday morning's temperature drops 14.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Later in the day, the temperature rises 14 3/5 degrees Fahrenheit. E, Cheyenne has 4.5 points after the first round of a board game. In the second round, she earns 4.5 points. Extended response section. Answer the following 2 extended response questions in the workspace provided in your booklet. For full credit, you must show all of your work and provide a clear explanation where asked. Number 16. In January, David had $20.80 in credit card debt. He recorded the amount as -$20.80 in his account book. In February, he had 4/5 the amount of credit card debt that he had in January. How did he record his amount of debt in February in his account book? Explain your reasoning. Number 17. The number line below shows the locations of the numbers -1, 0, and 1, and the points Q, R, and S. Use the number line to answer the following questions. A, what is the sign of Q plus S? Explain how you know. B, Jason claims that the value of S minus R must be greater than the value of S minus Q. His reasoning is that R is closer to 0 than Q. Explain why Jason's claim and reasoning are incorrect using the number line to support your reasoning. Reference sheet. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. 1 meter equals 39.37 inches. 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. 1 mile equals 1.609 kilometers. 1 kilometer equals 0.62 miles. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 1 pound equals 0.454 kilograms. 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 1 gallon equals 3.785 liters. 1 liter equals 0.264 gallons. 1 liter equals 1,000 cubic centimeters. Triangle. A equals 1/2 BH. Parallelogram. A equals BH. Circle. A equals pi r squared. Circle. C equals pi d, or C equals 2 pi r. Generic prisms. V equals BH.